In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce or hide YouTube Shorts in your feed. First, a quick heads up so expectations are clear. YouTube doesn't currently offer an official switch to completely turn off Shorts everywhere. However, you can meaningfully cut down how often they appear by nudging the recommendation system. That's exactly what I'll show you now. Start by opening the YouTube app on your phone or tablet, or heading to YouTube in your browser on a computer. Shorts can show up in a few places: in the home feed as small vertical videos, inside the dedicated Shorts shelf, or on channel pages. Wherever you see one pop up in your feed, you'll use the same approach. When a short appears, look for the three-dot menu icon next to it. On mobile, you'll usually find it on the right side of the short card or on the video preview. On desktop, it appears as a small three-dot button near the thumbnail or title. Tap or click those three dots to open the options menu. This menu is your control panel for telling YouTube what you want to see less of. From that menu, select either Not Interested or Show Fewer Shorts. Not Interested tells YouTube that this specific video, or videos like it, aren't something you want. It's a quick way to remove that short and teach the algorithm about your preferences. Show Fewer Shorts is a broader signal. It communicates that the entire Shorts format isn't what you're looking for, so the system will try to reduce the number of shorts it serves you over time. A few tips to make this more effective. Be consistent each time a short appears where you don't want it. The more you choose Not Interested or Show Fewer Shorts, the stronger the signal becomes. Also, try not to engage with shorts you don't want. Even brief watches, likes, or comments can encourage more of them. If you do accidentally open one, back out and continue marking them as Not Interested. Changes won't be instant, but you should notice fewer shorts as the system adapts. If you use multiple devices, your preferences generally follow your account. Still, reinforcing the same choices wherever you watch can help keep things consistent. And remember, you're not breaking anything by doing this. These options are built into YouTube specifically for customizing your feed. That's it. Open YouTube, use the three-dot menu when a short appears, and pick Not Interested or Show Fewer Shorts. With a bit of repetition, you'll see your feed shift toward the videos you actually want to watch.